Hello friends, I am Rupali Swami ma'am from Siddheshwar Prashala Solapur. We are starting online teaching for this academic year. I hope you all enjoy the learning with this new experience. So today we enjoy the math subject with the first chapter Roman numerals of a 5th standard. In a Roman numerals, the symbols are used to represent the numbers. The important basic symbols are I, V and X. The I stands for 1, V stands for 5, X stands for 10. In Roman numeral system, there was no symbol for 0. Remember these things, there was no symbol for 0. The value of a symbol did not change with its place. That is, there was no place in this system. Using a certain rules, we write the numbers using the symbols I, V and X. Let's see the rules with the example. First rule, if either of the symbols I or X is written consecutively 2 or 3 times, their sum total is the number they make. For example, double I that is equal to 1 plus 1 equal to 2. Double X equal to 10 plus 10 that is equal to 20. The second rule, the symbol I or X can be repeated consecutively for maximum 3 times. V is never repeated consecutively, means that I or X are repeated maximum for 3 times only. So for example, triple I that is equal to 1 plus 1 plus 1 that is equal to 3. Triple X that is equal to 10 plus 10 plus 10 equal to 30. We cannot write 15 equal to 5 plus 5 plus 5 is equal to triple V. Why? Because the V is never repeated consecutively. The third rule, when either I or V is written on the right of the symbol of the bigger number, its value is added to the value of the bigger number. For example, Vi equal to 5 plus 1 equal to 6. V double I that is equal to 5 plus 2 equal to 7. Fourth rule, if the numeral I is written to the left of V or X, the value of I is subtracted from the value of V or X. For example, IV that is equal to 5 minus 1 equal to 4. Ix that is equal to 10 minus 1 equal to 9. Note that the 8 is not written as double Ix. So, means that if we added the symbol after bigger number, we carry out the addition. If we add it to the left hand side, we carry out the subtraction. So, few more things we here remember that the first one, I is written to the left of the bigger numerals only once, not twice. So, that's why the above example 8 is not written as a double Ix because the I is only right once time. Now the fifth rule, to write the numbers greater than 10, first the group of tens are written using X followed by the proper numerals for the units. For example, Xi 10 plus 1 that is equal to 11. X triple I 10 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 that is equal to 13. Xiv that is equal to 10 plus 4 that is equal to 14. So double Xix means 10 plus 10 plus 9 that is equal to 29. Now let's go. We are writing some numbers using a Roman numerals. 1 that is equal to I, 2 that is equal to double I, 3 equal to triple I, 4 equal to IV, 5 equal to V, 7 equal to V double I, 8 equal to V triple I, 9 equal to Ix and 10 equal to X, and also the numbers from 11 to 20 are written by using the Roman symbols here. L, C, D and M are also used as a Roman numerals with I, V and X. L represents the number 50, C represents the number 100, D represents the number 500 and M represents to the 1000. So, these all things are remembered in the one word, that is a lakdam. So, you must practice these. After that, you will solve these given examples. Okay, thank you. I hope you all enjoy this video. Thanks once again.